In this tutorial, we'll be covering how to export your data from Hibbitts Auto Pro. From time to time, you'll have a need to export any information, records from within Hibbitts Auto Pro so that others can access that information as well, such as your accountant or another CRM provider. Data that will be exported is anything that you have added to hibbittsautopro.com, such as invoices, estimates, vehicle service records, things like that. And we make this freely available to download at any point in time. To begin the data export process, you'll need to be logged into Hibbitts Auto Pro. And you'll want to navigate to the My Profile in the left-hand menu and click on Company Profile. Here you'll have information about your company and a panel called Data Export. Any data that's exported from this panel will be downloaded in zip format, and it is the entire data history for your account. This process for very large accounts that have hundreds of thousands of invoices and estimates can take hours to process, and this is done in the background. Once you click the Export My Data, you're given a message that your data export has started, and you will receive an email when the export is complete. We process these exports in the background so that it doesn't interfere with your ability to add additional invoices and estimates while this processing is taking place. We'll send you an email once the process is completed with further instructions on how to get the data. I have very little records in this particular tutorial account, so I'm going to go ahead and check my email to see if I have received an alert letting me know that my export is ready. I see that I've received an email from Hibbitts Auto Pro. Data export is ready for download. Within the email, I see some further instructions on how to access this. I'm going to go back to Hibbitts Auto Pro, and I'm going to go back to my company profile page, and I see that my data export is ready for download. This is a link, and once clicked, it will go ahead and begin the download for the zip file. This zip file will contain, again, everything that you have put into hibbittsautopro.com. Thank you.